Hello.
Thank you for calling Amazon. How may I help you?
Hello. I heard there's something wrong with my Amazon. Can you help me?
What's wrong with your Amazon?
I heard that I was charged for something that I did not buy, and I need that money to pay for my senior housing and my Meals on Wheels. Can you help me?
Okay, so which thing, how much of the charge you getting?
I'm not sure. The message was left on my cassette answering machine. I had enough time to write down this phone number and then I erased the message by accident.
May I have your name, sir?
My first name is spelled R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango. My last name is spelled G as in Golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima.
All right. So how much is the charge you getting? Did you
I'm
check
not
your
sh-
bank statement?
I haven't done that. I'm 88 years old. I don't know how to check my bank statement from home. I go to the bank once a week and I have a young bank teller print out something on paper.
Hmm.
But I can't have anything charged to my account. I needed to pay for my senior housing and my Meals on Wheels. I'm too old to start a life as a homeless person.
Okay. All right, so tell me your email address. Let me check that for you, sir.
My email address is R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, G as in Golf, R as in Romeo,
Hmm.
I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima, at symbol, G as in Golf, M as in Mike, A as in Alpha, I as in India, L as in Lima, dot, C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike.
Got it. And which card you can use with Amazon, sir?
I use my bank debit card.
Like which debit card from which bank it is?
It's a MasterCard from Milford Bank.
From Milford Bank.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Robert. What I can do, I can go ahead to get connected to you with our server. Okay. And due to that, you can able to get authorized to cancel the charge. All
Oh,
right.
okay. How do I do this?
I'm saying which cell phone are you using? Is it like an iPhone or it's Android?
It's a flip phone. Uh, all it does is make phone calls and do texts. I got it many years ago when I was visiting the Henry Ford Museum and I fell on my back and I shouted, "I've fallen and I can't get up." And then when I left the hospital, I bought this in the hospital gift shop.
क्या बोलना है? Which phone do you have, sir or ma'am?
It's a it's a flip phone. It's a Nokia flip phone. Hello? Hello?